Logo: Equal housing opportunity. The city of Tucson, Arizona is featured. We hover over the Fountain Plaza Apartments and then enter the lobby, which features light wood-style floors and white walls. Modern chairs surround a geometric cube table in front of a TV screen. There are walls of windows throughout the lobby area. Additional areas include a dining room table and chairs, a kitchen, and a gym. The gym has elliptical trainers, weight machines, exercise balls, yoga mats, jump ropes, and treadmills. The apartments have two fenced-in pool patios with chaise lounge chairs. An apartment unit features a white brick-style accent wall and a white ceiling and facing wall. The floors have a light brown wood-style finish. We enter a large room with another room on the left and the dine-in kitchen on the right. The kitchen has white cabinetry and black countertops. The appliances are white and include an electric range, a dishwasher, a sink, and a refrigerator. There is a small closet door to the left of the kitchen entrance below a ceiling fan. A bathroom features a shower/tub combination, a toilet, a vanity, a sink, and a mirror. A bedroom has a white brick-style accent wall, white walls, sliding glass doors with vertical blinds, and light brown wood-style floors. There are closet doors on one wall of the room. The apartment building's laundry room is coin-operated washers, dryers, clothing racks, folding tables and benches. There are two ceiling fans in the room. One of the pool patios is shown again. And then we fly up to view the mountains on the horizon.